Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Ps5 firmware is current, because compatibility depends on system software. Once done, plug a wired USB mouse into a front or rear USB port and wait for the console to recognize it. Then navigate to Settings, open Accessories, and select General to confirm mouse support is enabled. You do this now to avoid input conflicts later. Enabling support lets the OS accept pointer input and maps mouse movement to the home screen cursor immediately. Once your wired mouse works, you can pair a Bluetooth mouse if you prefer wireless freedom. You go to Settings, choose Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories to put the mouse into pairing mode and complete the connection. After pairing, make sure to adjust pointer speed and button assignments in Accessories, mouse so navigation feels natural. Slower speeds help precision on menus. If you notice lag or dropouts, remove the device and repair. And make sure other wireless devices aren't crowding the 4 GHz band. You now use the scroll wheel, or by moving the mouse to steer the cursor across the Ps5 home screen. Left-click opens applications and folders, while right-click typically does nothing in System UI. Make sure to click icons deliberately because the home grid favors controller input timing. If the cursor disappears, first reconnect the mouse or toggle USB/Bluetooth in Settings, and then restart the Ps5. If problems persist, try a different mouse or reset controller mappings to remove input conflicts, so the pointer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.